Hey, and welcome to this new version of YAG, that's version 0.8.4.1, that brings some very important new features on the table. So let's start with the module. It's now possible to manage modules in YAG. So in YAG, a module is essentially a zip file that contains everything that's needed for your game. So for example, saves, content, custom dice, character sheets, and so on. All this can be archived in a zip file that can be distributed to players so everyone plays with the same data. The modules are managed in YAG in the module panel here. And in fact, it's such a huge topic that I'm not going to cover it in this video. I just posted a dedicated tutorial video on modules in the tutorial playlist, so you can watch this video to get all the details. But for now, suffice it to say that from this UI, it's possible to manage zip and directories. So create, delete zip or directories, load or unload modules, and so on. Everything is done from here. You've got all the details in the tutorial video. So I'm going to stop with the module and go to the next subject, which is that it's now possible to use local pictures in YAG. So I've got a few examples here. You can see that the location of this image is no longer an internet address. So the rule is that if location starts with HTTP or HTTPS, then YAG will try to fetch the picture on the internet. And if it doesn't, YAG will consider that it's a relative path to the pictures, and the root path is in each module in the module directory, client and image. So this directory is considered the root path for all pictures of the module. So this is where YAG will try to look for the pictures. So you can see here that we've got a picture that is located in family pictures, and it's actually here. So YAG knows how to get it. We've got another picture that is at the root of the directory, this one. All right. So you can of course organize your subdirectories as you wish and put your pictures wherever you want, as long as they are located in the module client image directory. Okay, next small change. In order to summon your portable disk, which contains for the moment the graphical character sheets, the key is no longer Alt. You now have to use Control and Spacebar to show or hide the portable disk. Alright, that's because Alt was having nasty interferences with the other usage of the key. So now you have to use Control and Spacebar. Okay, next is a small new option in the module panel here. You've got a checkbox that basically decide whether or not to call automatically the Lua script when a character sheet is modified. So by default it's checked, which means that by default the character sheets are completely automated. As you can see here, I'm going to modify the level, and you will see that it will modify on the fly the number of rolled dice for the fireball. So for example, if I go up to 15, you can see that the dice went from 8 to 18, and if I come back to, let's say, 2, the dice came down to 5. So by default the character sheets are now completely automated, but you can, which means that you don't have to click on the Lua button to call the Lua script anymore, but you can disable this feature if for some reason you don't want it, for example if you're developing or anything like that. So that's it. Now we're going to finish with the new content. So we've got some new content in YAG. We've got a new bear here that comes with the polar textures, which is very nice because we now have 4 snow or white creatures, a dragon, a golem, a wolf, and now that polar bear. And we also have a new orc tribe, which is very beautiful. I mean, as much as orc can be beautiful. We have 7 of them. and they bring some nice variety and to the org content of YAG. Alright, I think I covered the essential for the new version, so I'm gonna wrap this video up here. I hope you enjoyed it, I hope it was interesting, and if so, I hope to see you in the next. So thanks and bye.